with me, brain boys. If I were dangling from a ledge, it'd surely save me with a wedgie.
I'm smart, perhaps a bit refined,
and I'm a bit more edgy. 'Cause we're frenemies, we like disliking one another. Yes, we're